We got a new toy.
I'm a true champion.
No car parts, but I got a little tripod and a power supply for a monitor and all kinds of stuff. I got tons of free stuff. This thing isn't free, but it's still pretty cool, and I can't wait to work on it. This is a vintage traffic signal, and I wish I knew where to tell you how to get it, but I bought it off my boss. In part of this, there's a board that's supposed to sequence the lights, but it's not. I don't know why. Right here, this board's supposed to be controlling the lights, but it doesn't seem to be working for some reason. So we're gonna try and figure that out. All right, so we took the board out. As you can see, it's missing. We hooked up the multimeter to it. Realized we were getting 110 to the board, so I took it out to do some further inspection, and successfully took it out without electrocuting myself. One of the things I realized is there's a fuse holder here, and that fuse holder had a fuse in it, and it's blown to smithereens. So I talked to Marcus earlier, and he told me that he was going to go pick up Sean from work. And there's an AutoZone between Sean and where we live, so I asked him if he'd stop pick me up a fuse, see if they have one. It's kind of a weird fuse, I think. I don't know. It is right now just after midnight. I have not eaten dinner. I've only had 2 pieces of pizza today, so we're gonna get some food somewhere somehow. I don't know what or where, because it's like midnight. It's after midnight. We're gonna get a fuse because Marcus didn't make it over to AutoZone in time, so I'm gonna check Walmart and see what we got there. I think they have something. I could be wrong. And then we'll see if our stoplight works tonight. It'd be an amazing couple hours. Man, I'm tired. Holy mackerel, I'm tired. But I am hungry as well. And I really want to get the stoplight to work. So let's go to Walmart. Alright. So it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I don't know if you can see that, but basically went to Walmart, found some fuses that were close to the same size but were not the same spec. They were like a 32 volt versus a 250. Kind of matters, just a smidge. So with that being said, I ordered some off Amazon. They won't be here till Monday. So I don't know, we'll probably check AutoZone tomorrow. I need sleep. I'm so stinking tired. I need sleep. Saturday. Daylight hours. So last night we went to Walmart, tried to find a 2 amp 250 volt fuse. I did order some on Amazon, but they won't be here till Monday. But I'm so anxious to get the stoplight working and everything. So we're gonna go hit up like an AutoZone or something and see if they got anything like this. So cross your fingers they do. So let's use the daylight hours. All right, so we found them, but not at AutoZone. Home Depot. Apparently these are used for testers, like whatchamacallits, voltmeters. So I got a boatload of these. I bought 3 packs of 2. These are a GMA 2 amp. Let's pop one of these in his board and put it back together and see what happens. See if it blows a fuse. Something like that. Let's give it a shot. go. Yes. We got red. Oh, now it went to green. Supposedly. It doesn't appear to be working well. Oh, yellow. Red, yellow. Either way, we functional. We freaking functional. Let's figure out why green don't work. So we're gonna turn this off. We're gonna swap a bulb from the yellow here to the other one. I got critters. I think, yeah, that's a critter. At this point, the controller in the street light here is apparently having issues. So we're going to order a new one. I've looked up a couple of them. I found one on Amazon. I think I can have it here by Monday, normally like 20 bucks. So I'm just gonna order another one, and then I'll have to find some of these tabs, probably at like a Home Depot or Walmart. I'm just gonna replace this because I don't know anything about it. Probably shouldn't be touching the coil. Yes, we're gonna get a new one, and then we'll replace the bulbs too. These just use standard household style bulbs, and yeah, this thing should be ready to rock by next week. So, and I think we'll do some cleanup and junk like that on it. We'll take it all apart and clean it up real nice like. Just trying to get these torn apart a little bit. You know, I broke them down to just the plastic, and I mean, there's dirt everywhere. There's dirt caked in everything and everywhere and whatever. So I got some cleaner here and some rags, and we're going to completely take these outside and one by one degrease them, clean them, wipe them down, probably wash them off in the tub afterwards, and just get them looking pretty. That way there's no gunk and weird whatever that is and that is out. As I'm rinsing the shower out here, you know, the thought occurs to me, I'm doing this and I wonder why I'm single. If I had a girlfriend and or a wife, she'd probably kill me for doing what I just did. But you know what? I'm single. So I'm building a traffic light. I got new bulbs, and they're back there, and you might be able to see. Okay. So we're gonna put some bulbs in this. Not like we could do a whole lot with them, because I cut the switch. We'll play with the old controller for now, just because new controller ordered. And until then, we're kind of here. Man, that's too cool. And then I'm thinking we're gonna hang it like on the wall or something. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but it just looks freaking nuts just looking at it right there. Like, figured I'd at least show you why we need a new controller and you know, maybe show you where we're at with it so far. There you go. It does work. It just, the screen never turns off. So it goes through the normal motions of the red, yellow, green. See? And this is also not as bright as it should be because it's only running at like 45 volts, I think. It's like there's a problem with that circuit. So that one's really bright. Ordered a new controller. I was actually hoping it was gonna be here today. I went and hung out at my work to to try and get the controller because the USPS said it was going to be delivered today, but it's midnight on the 22nd. Like, come on. It's like they all left at noon and forget any kind of obligations they have with anybody like that paid money, you know, whatever. But we're gonna get back into car stuff right after I get this light working in the next video, and then after that we're gonna use the 3D printer that we rebuilt right back there. We're gonna use it to build some like plastic weld pieces for the door card that I have. I think I've shown that. I can't remember, but we're gonna use that to JB weld or like epoxy some reinforcement in there. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I really wanted to get this thing up and running. The other thing is because why have two broken printers if you're never gonna fix them? So it seemed like a good time. Until the next one. Don't get trampled at a Black Friday sale. Take it easy and have a good one.
I'm a true champion.